Hello everyone. Today, we'll be looking at the extinction of the Neanderthals, which is an extinct species or subspecies of archaic humans that were known to roam this earth around 40,000 years ago. We'll discover the theories that led to the demise of these rather intriguing human-like creatures and how the species would contest the likes of Homo sapiens, also known as humans, which has prevailed against these creatures and is still going strong to this day. The Neanderthals are the closest species to the Homo sapiens species. An average of 2% of people's DNA that do not come from Africa are derived especially from the Neanderthals. However, there are key differences when looking at a Neanderthal and a Homo sapien. First off, Neanderthals were known to have a larger nose and wider ribcage, as well as shorter forearms, a shorter tibia, and a less pronounced chin. These traits may have formed in accordance with their environment, as these traits are mainly acquainted with those who live in a relatively cool climate, in contrast to the Homo sapiens, who derive from the hot climates of Africa. These differences have actually influenced the Neanderthals' abilities, as these creatures were known to be more of a sprinter than a long-distance runner when compared to the Homo sapiens. Another major difference that divides these two species is that the Neanderthals have a bigger brain than Homo sapiens, although it is unknown how this difference affected the Neanderthals' cognitive functions. These are the main differences and unique characteristics that the Neanderthal species have when compared to the humans. The Neanderthals were an adaptable species and were able to live in a variety of climates, ranging from cold and snowy to warm and temperate climates. This can be seen in artifacts that have come from this species in present-day areas such as Siberia and England to places like Italy and Spain. The Neanderthal species actually derived from a common ancestor in the genus Homo, the same genus of humans, and ventured off into Europe to evolve on their own. Many believe that this species was not capable of many things that humans can do, but this is not entirely true. Neanderthals had the ability to manufacture jewelry, bury the dead at times, and had tools to create fires. Some believe that this species were even able to speak, but this is not backed by any factual evidence. The Neanderthals may have been stronger than us, and maybe even just as smart. But it begs the question, what led to their catastrophic demise? There are many theories on how the Neanderthals became extinct. The most prominent theories suggest that the Homo sapiens prevailed due to the fact that they do not require much food to fuel them, while Neanderthals need much more resources to preserve themselves. This trait became hard to satiate as food sources may have been scarce for the Neanderthals at times. This may be one major reason as to why the Neanderthals may have become extinct. To add to this, there was not a plentiful population of the species, and fertility rates were also not favorable for the Neanderthals. In fact, scientists estimate that there are only 10,000 Neanderthals alive from the stretches of England and Spain to Iraq and Siberia, which made it nearly impossible to retain their population. This is the most probable reason as to why the Neanderthals have gone extinct.